Hey guys, did I cook?
Did I really cook? What the fuck? Okay, first of all, no, you didn't cook. We'll talk about that in a second. But what am I talking about? I am talking about Airbnb's new 3D icons. And they released an app update, and Design Twitter lost their mind collectively. And I was kind of curious. I was like, where have I seen these icons before? Where is it? You know, listen, I probably have wet brain. I was an alcoholic for a while. I haven't drank for 2.5 years, but those effects linger. And so I did a quick search, and I found these icons. Now, these icons, these are nice, right? Like, these are on the same level. Some are even better than what they did. Now, these icons are from an article published by Smashing Magazine in 2009. Yes, that's right. Now, I am honestly under the impression, the assumption that many of the designers freaking out about these amazing animated icons weren't around back then. They weren't around during the Web 2.0 era. So what is the Web 2.0 era? Well, this was the Web 2.0 era. Everything was skeuomorphic and kind of realistic. And that's the vibe that I got. That's actually why I posted this message in the Too Advanced, remember Too Advanced, very awesome. I'm gonna link their Discord server in the description. I posted it in the Too Advanced Discord server wondering, I was like, wait a second, why is everybody freaking out about this? Now, I think they're cool. They're animated and we're getting away from flat design, but that's the thing. Most of the designers who find this amazing grew up under flat design, so this feels new to them. This feels like it's novel. And so what have they done? They are recreating them, and they are asking the age-old question, did I cook? Well, first of all, you didn't cook. The AI cooked for you, because that's what people are doing. They're using the AI image and video generating models to generate these 3D icons as if this is something new. Now, yeah, I would personally use AI probably, because guess what the designers back in the day had to do? They had to use the pen tool. It really required a lot of skill. So you didn't cook, the AI cooked for you, which is fine, but let's have context. Let's understand that this is not a new thing. We've done this before. I'm glad it's coming back, but I would like to see it be elevated in some new way, shape, or form. And motion alone is not enough in my opinion. So I just thought I'd do a fun video, kind of poking fun at the industry here, but yes, people, it requires old, ancient people like me to come by and remind all the youngsters that we've done this before. It's exciting that it's coming back and not everything is fucking flat like it used to be. Let's keep cooking.